Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and using really high quality cooking fats is really important to me. So I am really glad that I found this beef tallow from Natritional Wellness. This stuff has a high smoke point, so I've been able to give my smoke alarms a little break. I find that any food that I cook with it browns really well. I pan fried some breaded fish in it and it came out so nice and crispy. I love knowing that it comes from 100% grass-fed beef. I just feel really good about using it in my food. Good quality beef tallow has so many uses. I've actually been really impressed with this brand. It has a wide variety of different cooking fats and it even has some skincare products too. When it comes to this beef tallow, I find that it has a pleasantly neutral flavor. I'm really happy that it doesn't have this strong beefy taste because that means I can use it in savory and sweet recipes. I used it in making a blueberry crisp and it was so good. The crisp layer had this amazing melt in your mouth texture. This beef tallow has been a very versatile addition to my pantry, but that's just my point of view.